Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Venmo Transfer. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money using their smartphones. To get started with Venmo Transfer, you first need to download and install the Venmo app on your mobile device. Once installed, sign up for a Venmo account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After signing up, you will need to link your bank account or credit card to your Venmo account. This will enable you to add funds to your Venmo account and make transfers. To link your bank account, go to the Settings menu in the Venmo app, select Payment Methods, and then add bank or card. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account or credit card information. To send money using Venmo, open the app and tap on the Pay or Request button. Enter the recipient's name, phone number, or email address, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment to describe what the payment is for. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the payment. To receive money using Venmo, the sender will need to send you a payment request. When you receive a payment request, you will get a notification on your phone. Open the Venmo app, go to the Payments tab, and review the payment request. If everything looks good, tap on the Accept button to receive the payment. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Venmo Transfer include keeping your Venmo account, password and security questions up to date, being cautious when sending money to people you do not know, and regularly reviewing your Venmo transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. In addition, Venmo offers a number of features to help you manage your transactions, including the ability to split bills with friends, make purchases online, and transfer funds to your bank account. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Venmo Transfer to send and receive money safely and securely.